Let's explore the key differences between ethers and esters, two important classes of organic compounds. Let's start with ethers. An ether has a general structure of ROR prime, where R and R prime are hydrocarbon groups connected by an oxygen atom. For example, diethyl ether has two ethyl groups connected by an oxygen. Now, let's look at esters. An ester has the structure RC double bond, O, single bond OR prime. Notice the key difference is the carbonyl group, that's the carbon double bonded to oxygen. A common example is ethyl acetate, where we have CH3C double bond, O, O, CH2CH3. Let's highlight the key differences between ethers and esters. First, ethers have a single oxygen atom connecting two carbon groups, while esters have a carbonyl group. Second, esters have higher boiling points due to their more polar nature. Third, esters are generally more reactive than ethers due to the carbonyl group. Understanding these differences is crucial in organic chemistry, as ethers and esters serve different roles in chemical reactions and have different applications in industry and everyday life.